years. Today we will discuss about aloe vera benefits and its priceless gel for massage therapy in Thai massage services video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel please. There are approximately 350 species of aloe. They vary in color from gray to bright green and are sometimes striped or mottled. In addition, the leaves are often long and pointed and have spiny sides. Aloe flowers are tubular in appearance, and vary in color from yellow, orange or red. The flowers are usually densely clustered, simple or branched leafless stems. The most famous of aloes is the aloe vera. It is revered for its medicinal herbal properties. The most popular herbal property in aloe vera is its use in skin care. Aloe vera has both antiseptic and antibiotic properties, which makes it highly effective in treating skin irritations such as cuts, burns, eczema, and sunburns, and will also relieve the itch from poison oak, poison ivy and poison sumac. Additionally, aloe vera is widely used in the cosmetic industry as moisturizing ingredient, improve elasticity in the skin, and reduce the sign of aging, just to name a few. Although the plant is 95% water, the remaining 5% contains active ingredients such as amino acids, provides 20 of the 22 human required amino acids and 7 of the 8 essential ones, minerals, calcium, chromium, copper, iron, magnesium, manganese, potassium, sodium, zinc, vitamins A, C, E, B, B12,